Today we will be testing the weighted deviation bands indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the weighted deviation bands indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 65 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 876 indicators, with 368 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 62 of the winning indicators. 24 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the weighted deviation bands indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Basically what we have is a upper band, a lower band, is kind of creating a channel here, or the bands similar to like the Bollinger Bands. And we have, you can see that they are kind of expanding and contracting on themselves, kind of changing the distance between themselves. And you can see that the bar coloration is also switching, changing from green to red, back again. And so the setup on this is that when we get a green, when we get the green bars, we are going to go long. When we get the red bars, we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. Right here you can see that we get that red candle there. I think it said bands and when talking about how we were going to take this, but the red candles there. And so just to be clear, when we get green candles, we are going to go long. When we get red candles, we are going to go short. So anyway, so short signal right here, you can see that we get that red candle right there. Looks like we get a little bit of a push to the downside. Looks like it was just enough to get us to our take profit. Looks like we're then gonna spike back up to the upside right here on this one, giving us a long signal. Let's go ahead and play it forward here. Don't think we quite got to our take profit on that one. Nope, looks like we actually just barely hit our take profit on that one as well. Let me go ahead and measure it out one more time just to be sure. Yep, we got to take profit on that one as well. And then we jump right back into a short signal right there. Go ahead and measure that one out. And again, we got to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, a little bit of a rapid fire signals there. So we pick up a long right here on this one. A push to the upside gets us to our take profit. We then pick up a short right here. Go ahead and mark that one green there. Pick up a short right here just for one candle, and immediately we flip right back to green candles right here on the next one. And so that one's going to stop us out there. But then this green candle here makes a nice push to the upside, and that signal there gets us to our take profit as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You are welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just charts in general where he's doing analysis of the Forex market. These are a couple of the kind of cleaner charts that he has posted. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators, and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool, and I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. And then we have our other admin, Jay, who also does really great at helping out, explaining things, walking people through different stuff and helping out. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video. You watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outlined the indicators that I use and explained that I am offering those indicators to our patrons. And so you just get a ton of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Squeeze this back some. There to there. All right, let's go ahead and count it out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have 27 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Got pretty close. All in all, it seemed like when the price action was moving in a really decent trend. It was catching some pretty good moves, catching them at the pretty decent time there. But then when price action was kind of running into consolidation or a ranging market, was creating just clusters of losing trades, similar to what we see when we get the single line indicators that price action has to break below or above, which is basically what this indicator does. Has those areas where price is just kind of laying right on this middle line and price is just bouncing, pinballing back and forth. And so unfortunately this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.